front and center for our politics going forward will be the effort by the Trump administration to try to curb the excesses in the federal government, and including cutting spending, cutting bureaucracy. Supreme Court gave him a huge win, President Trump, a huge win yesterday, striking down a lower court judge's injunction, freezing the administration's ability to make cuts to the federal government. There was a lone dissent. Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson dissenting, saying, for some reason, this court sees fit to step in now and release the president's wrecking ball at the outset of this litigation. In my view, this decision is not only truly unfortunate, but also hubristic and senseless. Lower court judges have their fingers on the pulse of what is happening on the ground and indisputably best positioned to determine the relevant facts. I see no basis to conclude that the district court erred, let alone clearly so, in finding that the president is attempting to fundamentally restructure the federal government, which, of course, the president has the authority to do as the top of the executive branch. Talk about hubristic.
You spoke with Jonathan Turley in the 6 o'clock hour this morning, always with a great reaction. In particular, this was his reaction to Jackson's dissent and how this ruling is a message to the lower courts. Listen.
Sotomayor noted in her concurrences that this order simply was having agencies plan for downsizing. And she said, well, we can hardly stop that. Well, yeah, Jackson believes you can. And this is part of a signature of what's becoming a type of judicial abandon that Jackson has towards the power of these courts. The court could not be more clear. This is another shot across the bow to lower courts that they've got to knock this off. They've got to stop with these injunctions. This is 6 months of delay. It could have been much longer. And the court is signaling, we're going to be on you very quickly if you continue to do these types of orders.
Shot across the bow, says Turley.
Yeah, and to Charlie's point, I mean, really, it is, whatever you call it, judicial activism, whatnot, the American people see stuff like this, and they see a effort, as we have heard, of these nationwide injunctions at an unprecedented level, literally telling a president that he can't exercise the powers given to him in the Constitution.
It reminds me of my favorite recent Babylon Bee headline saying that President Trump resigned the presidency to become a lower federal court judge so that he would have more power.
There you go. The always great Babylon Bee.
That's not how it works.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.